Alright, here we go. So here's the chip key. They said I wouldn't be able to start the car. I just started it, and don't mind that sound. It seems to be moving. It's not asking me for anything. Oh my god. So there you have it. 2012 Nissan Versa. No chip. I paid $3 for this. The guy told me it's not going to be able to drive. And I just started it and it drives. So I didn't have to pay $55. I don't know. Hey, maybe it'll work for yours. Maybe this is like a not so good model. I don't know, but I got a freaking key for $3 and it drives, so I'm happy.